Welcome to CryFinex. The crypto market is bleeding again. But unlike previous crashes, this one has a single powerful trigger. From Trump's shocking tariff bombshell to Bitcoin's roller coaster ride, Coin exploded 60%, then crashed. And a surprise twist from Tether that could shake up the US financial landscape. This week's news is wild. What's going on and what does this mean for your portfolio? Let's get started. Coin surprised everyone with a massive 60% rally, spiking from 40 cents to 79 cents in hours. But that excitement didn't last. The price quickly pulled back to 56 cents, raising a critical question. Was this a breakout or just another speculative pump? Market analysts believe this surge was driven mostly by retail traders, not institutional backing or strong fundamentals. And here's the kicker. Over 1.5 billion new PI tokens are about to unlock, potentially flooding the market. Major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase still haven't listed Coin, leaving it stuck on mid-tier platforms with low liquidity. Technically, resistance remains strong at $0.693 and the coin is hovering at neutral momentum. Without a breakthrough, both on the charts and in real-world utility, Coin might be in for more turbulence. Bitcoin fell 6% over the weekend, tumbling to $77,730 after former President Trump unveiled sweeping new tariffs. The shockwaves didn't stop with crypto. US equities saw their biggest dip since 2020, and crypto once again mirrored the tech sector. Ethereum dropped 13%, Solana and XRP lost over 12%, and nearly $1 billion in long positions were liquidated in one day. Analysts say this isn't unusual. Bitcoin's correlation with tech stocks has been strong in 2025. Despite the volatility, some experts like Xapo Bank's Gadi Chait are urging investors to zoom out and focus on the long game. Welcome to Black Monday. Crypto markets plummeted alongside global stocks, wiping out $136 billion in positions. Bitcoin led the fall, hitting near $75,000, while altcoins like ETH, SOL, and XRP dropped up to 20%. Why the collapse? Trump's tariff bombshell caused panic worldwide, triggering forced liquidations across exchanges. CoinGlass reported that 86% of traders were long, meaning they bet on prices going up. When prices crashed, exchanges auto-sold their positions to cover losses. The domino effect spread to Asia, where indices like Japan's Nikkei dropped nearly 9%. In the US, stock market losses surpassed $11 trillion since February. It's a stark reminder of how fast leverage can break the system when fear takes over. Bitcoin fell 6% over the weekend, tumbling to $77,730 after former President Trump unveiled sweeping new tariffs. The shockwaves didn't stop with crypto. US equities saw their biggest dip since 2020, and crypto once again mirrored the tech sector. Ethereum dropped 13%, Solana and XRP lost over 12%, and nearly $1 billion in long positions were liquidated in one day. Analysts say this isn't unusual. Bitcoin's correlation with tech stocks has been strong in 2025. Despite the volatility, some experts like Xapo Bank's Gadi Chait are urging investors to zoom out and focus on the long game. In the middle of the chaos, Tether dropped a bombshell of its own. CEO Paolo Ardoino confirmed that the company is in talks with U.S. regulators, hinting at a potential launch of a domestic U.S.-focused stablecoin. This is huge. Right now, Tether doesn't serve American customers, but that could change if the U.S. introduces new, more competitive rules. If approved, this domestic stablecoin would serve as a settlement currency, potentially giving Tether a critical role in future U.S. crypto infrastructure. Tether already claims compliance, voluntarily working with agencies like the FBI and Secret Service. With over $144 billion in circulation and more than 400 million users globally, this move could strengthen the company's foothold in regulated markets. Markets are shaky, liquidations are high, but opportunity often hides in the chaos. So, where do you stand? Are you buying the dip or staying on the sidelines? From global economic shocks to bold regulatory shifts, Crypto is at a major crossroads. But here's the question. Do you think Bitcoin will emerge stronger from this crisis? Or are we headed for a deeper crash? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto updates every week. This is CryFinex. See you in the next one.